This is the final video to fix the cpuz146 x64 sys driver can't load error on Windows. Are you also facing this problem where Windows blocks the driver and stops apps like cpuz, ASUS tools, or MSI utilities from opening? This happens when memory integrity blocks and sign drivers. The driver gets corrupted, or Windows security policies stop it. Other guides make this complicated, but when I faced it, I solved it with one simple trick. I'm sharing here on Rexish. First, open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Open Device Security. Select Core Isolation. Turn off Memory Integrity. Restart your PC. Now relaunch cpuz or the tool you're using. If it works, the issue was the driver being blocked. If the error continues, reinstall the driver. Open File Explorer. Go to C Drive, Windows, System 32, Drivers. Find cpuz146 x64 sys and delete it. Then download the latest cpuz from the official website and install it again. This replaces the corrupted driver. If the driver still fails to load, open Command Prompt as admin and type sfc/scan now. Then type dsm/online/cleanupimage/restoreelf. These commands repair system files that prevent drivers from loading. Also check for Windows updates, because some older versions block low-level drivers. Update and restart.